So we're introducing our awesome stain. It doesn't require that you do any kind of a sealer over it. For exterior use, interior use, it can also go over our paint, and it produces such a beautiful sheen. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to brush this on fully. This is the new color Tobacco. So you saw what pains I took there, very little, brushing it on. You can use a graining tool, or if you have real wood like we do here, I'm just going to use a rag and dial it back so you can see what the beauty is left behind on raw wood. So that's the colors it's going to bring out. You can do that on your cabinets, and I'm going to leave one side fully brushed and then
pretty.
One side dry, just kind of brushed on fully. So walnut's going to look very similar to what we just brushed on here. Just going to bring up a little more of a red color. This is our color Ebony. This is going to be a black. It's a warm black, so it's not a hard and harsh black. And I'll let you see what it looks like up against some of the other colors. And
it oddly enough, I think, looks lighter than espresso sometimes.
It does. Espresso is a warmer black. So we'll show you both of them side by side so you can make a determination if you like the espresso or you like the true ebony. So espresso is, as the name would imply, it is a brown, and it is a dark, rich brown, very akin to a black. But how you're going to know the differences, I'm going to show them to you side by side very quickly here. And espresso is probably number 2 on my list of faves. What do y'all think? This is our antique white, and this is going to give us a whitewashed look. This is unlike our whitewashed antique ink gel. So
this is not warmer white too.
It is warm. You can see the creaminess of it here. This is our color Graphite, by the way, a beautiful gray. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to brush it right on. So if you're working on raw wood, you can see already you're going to get a beautiful sheen, gorgeous glow without any sealers going on top, any primers, any wood conditioners going on the raw wood. It's not going to raise a grain. It's going to go onto that raw surface. Like and follow for more great DIY tips.